In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a kid's coloring clock using sublimation. So if you want to see how to do it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about sublimation and sewing. So if either of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and please go check out my website at soulpresscreate.com for some sublimation templates and sewing templates and some classes on subbing and sewing. And let's jump into this video. I'm gonna start off by going into Google and searching for Princess Peach coloring page. That's what my daughter wanted. I'm just gonna drag that into Photoshop, move it behind the template layer, and then Google clock number, get a PNG that's transparent, and import that as well. And then I'm just going to hide clock template and then export it as a JPEG. Before we do anything, we're going to take our clock and we're gonna find our pressure. Just put a piece of butcher paper and then figure out how much to loosen it. For this project, you're gonna need your clock, and it comes with your hand pieces and where you put the battery so that it can make the hands go around. You're gonna need some heat tape, your design printed on sublimation paper. I'm using InnoSub sublimation paper today, and some butcher paper. You want to start off by preheating your heat press to 360 degrees for 60 to 70 seconds. You can go on the InnoSub website, search clock, click on it and scroll down. You'll find the time and temp, what type of pressure, and you can even download the template. But right now we're just gonna put these parts to the side. We don't need them. You can take some rubbing alcohol and you can clean the surface. This doesn't come with a protective screen, so you want to make sure to clean it and let it dry. Once that has dried, you want to take your sublimation paper and put it with your design facing up, and then you're going to take your clock and you're going to flip it, the white side of it. You're going to flip the white side down, and you're going to make sure your design is in the inside of your clock. Once you have it down the way you want it, you're going to take some heat tape and then you're going to start taping it down. You want to tape it really good because you don't want it to shift on you. Okay, once you have taped that up, you want to gently flip it over, making sure not to shift it. And then I'm just going to put my one piece of butcher paper underneath, and I'm going to use that to carry. On the other side, you can kind of see your design through the paper, so you can adjust it if you need to. I'm also going to just take some heat tape and tape it down. I need to buy some heat tape, y'all. We're going to take our clock and we're going to put it down. You want to make sure you look at it one more time to make sure your design is where you want it. If not, you can shift it where you want it, and then you can we're going to put butcher paper on top. So you have butcher paper on the bottom, your clock, your sublimation paper with the logo facing up, some butcher paper on top, and then we're going to press at 360 degrees for 60 to 70 seconds. I'm going to do 60 seconds. This is how much ink release I had. So this is how my daughter colored it. She even colored the numbers, but she's super proud of it. So once your child has colored it, all you have left to do is put your battery pack. I'm gonna stick this black washer and the gold washer right there. Then I'm gonna stick it through the hole of my clock. Then I'm gonna take this gold washer that's kind of like a hexagon. Had to think about that. And I'm going to turn that so it's nice and tight on there. Then I'm going to take my shorthand and I'm gonna stick that on first. Then I'm gonna take my long hand And I'm gonna stick that on top. And this has one side where it's kind of like sticking out. That's the side you want facing down. You want the solid piece to be facing, side to be facing up. Stick that on. And then we're gonna take our little seconds hand, and it has a little, kind of like a little stick here. And we're gonna stick that right in here. You see how there's like a hole in there? We're gonna stick that right in there. And then all we have to do is just put a battery in the back for it to start working. Didn't that turn out cute? I'm just gonna put a picture of it here. I don't have it in my hands because my daughter was very quick to take it to her room. But she loved it. It was fun, and these would make good, like, kind of like a party favor. At a party, you can have a little table there, and the kids can, you know, color them and take them home. I think that would be really cute. You can also, if you don't want to do it the way I did it, you can also, you know, print out your photo on sublimation paper and then use like sublimation markers and have them color it in on the sublimation paper and then sub it onto the clock if that's the way you want to do it. But my daughter really enjoyed using acrylic paint markers to color it in. Let me know down below if you guys try this out. I'll have the clock linked down below for you, as well as everything I've used in this video. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please let me know down below in the comments what you guys want to see from me, whether it's sublimation, sewing, whatever it is. Let me know. Yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely week. Bye, guys.